Okay, so if I ask you how many marks will you give yourself out of 100? As a person, as a package, you play a lot of roles. All of those roles put together, whether you are a son or a daughter or a mother or a father or a friend or a countryman or whatever other roles you play. If I tell you, or rather if I ask you, how many marks do you give yourself out of 100? What will be the answer? In my corporate training programs, I have gotten such answers like anything literally between 0 to 100. Now my perspective here is, there are people who give themselves 99. And I ask them, 99 ही दिया था तो 100 देते थे यार, एक नंबर क्यों बाकी छोड़ा? And people are like, sir, कुछ कमी तो रह ही जाती है. And then I ask people who give themselves 100, यार 100 दिया है, कोई कमी नहीं है. बोले नहीं सर, कमी तो है, पर we are working on that. But why should I give myself less? And I ask them, isn't that arrogant? बोले नहीं sir, I am not arrogant. Okay. Now here is the point. Giving yourself 99 and saying there are some shortcomings in me. देखिए shortcoming तो रहेगी, always रहेगी. Perfection का formula है perfection is equal to perfection plus imperfection. The imperfection that you think you have is a part of your perfection. As long as you know that you have imperfection inside you and you're working on it, or you have worked on it and it is not helping, it is okay. It is okay to still give yourself 100. Because when you give yourself certain marks, you're giving marks also to the creator. There are people who give themselves 0, 3, 7, 10, 19, 25. I don't know how they come to those marks, but they give themselves pathetic marks. People with, I would say, low self-esteem. I would say, come on, it's an insult to God who's created you. There are some shortcomings, all right. Maybe there are the past of your life has not been very good. Probably you've not tasted a lot of success. But that doesn't mean you give yourself or rate yourself like this so that in the future also you don't get anything. Here in this context, basically I want to tell you, 100 out of 100 is the only option when somebody asks you how many marks. Understand the essence what I'm saying. Don't go into marks. Understand the essence. However you are perfect as a creation of God. You are perfect as you are made, because you're not just made as a body, you are a combination of mind, body and soul. I would here say, if you give yourself lesser marks, please start meditating. Meditation has helped people increase their self-esteem. I'm doing my PhD on meditation, so I can tell you this also. And I'm a master's in psychology, so this is certainly my direct subject. So I want to tell you this, self-esteem has been increased, emotional balance has been maintained, stress and anxiety has been lessened, and a lot of other things because of meditation. Don't give yourself less marks and demean yourself and insult yourself and God. You deserve 100 out of 100 and nothing else. If you can't give yourself 100 out of 100, please meditate. There are a lot of videos on my channel. There are a lot of videos much more outside my channel on YouTube. Whatever is the form you take, please start meditating. I have this system of even meditating for 10-15 seconds. If you can't meditate, if you've tried and it's not worked and all of those things, I will always want you to meditate, even if it is on the go meditation, which I call these 10-15 second meditations, or formal meditations which I do in my morning and evening meditation sessions, which the videos are on the channel. Please give yourself 100 out of 100 unconditionally, not conditionally. Don't say if this will be there in me, then I will give 100. But then when this thing comes, something else as imperfection comes in. So 100 तो कभी भी नहीं दे पाओगे if it is conditional. It has to be 100 out of 100 unconditionally, the way you are. It is not arrogant. You know your imperfections. As long as you know your imperfections and you're trying to improve them. If you are careless about the imperfections, then you are arrogant. If you've tried and you've not been successful, for example, you're an angry person and anger is not going from inside you. So understand, this is the part of you. You've been made an angry person for a reason. And of course, meditation can help you calm your anger. So work on that.